Where to plant custard apple tree? Plant in full sun, wind-free, frost-free and high humid place. Frost can kill young and fruit-bearing trees. It grows in any soil, but nutrition-rich free-draining soil is ideal. Mix 25% each of compost and river sand in 50% potting mix. Compost adds the nutrition and the sand makes the soil free-draining. Seedlings need more water. Keep the soil damp but not moist. Underwatering can burn leaves and the fruits in direct sunlight. Overwatering can cause root rot. During the growing season, water the tree until it drains out. Then, when the top 1 inch soil becomes dry, regular watering from flowering to harvest is important. Water less in winter when the tree goes dormant. Apply a thick layer of mulch to preserve humidity in the soil and to prevent weeds. Do not apply touching the mulch to the trunk to prevent rotting. Add some cow manure in early spring and feed balanced fertilizer or citrus fertilizer every 3 months until the tree begins to bear fruit. Sprinkle fertilizer near the rim of the pot, away from the trunk. Water after fertilization. Aphids and mealybugs may be a problem. Spray neem oil periodically. Mix 1 milliliter each of neem oil and liquid soap in 1 liter water and spray. Pruning the plant to make it bushy and keep its height low. The tall plant in the pot will be unstable. First pruning when the plant is a small seedling to encourage new branches. You can again prune the growing ends of the branches to make the tree denser. Please like and share the video. Repotting to a larger pot may be needed after a few years. Take out the plant. Use the soil mixture as mentioned above. Keep the root ball at the same depth from the top surface as was in the earlier pot. The tree blooms in spring to summer. Custard apple will bear fruit in 3 to 4 years. The flowers are self-pollinating, so only one tree produces fruits. When the flower slightly opens its petals, it will be female, and as the petals spread wider, it becomes male. Hand pollinate the flowers for pollination and to set fruits. Water regularly from the flowering to harvest. Custard apple trees are sensitive to frost, Move the pot indoors or protect it by enclosing it in a tent.